Hello and welcome to Shenzhen, the tech capital of China and home to most of the Chinese tech companies like Huawei, DJI, who make some of the best drones in the world, BYD, many others I can't name. And we've got the wholesale market here, which is perfect because today I'm looking for a drone and I'm looking to haggle. And it's pretty bright as well, so I might get some sunglasses too. So let's go shopping. Hey. Glasses? Oh, we got watches too. Ripped out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Camera, follow the application. Phone.
Oh, phone on there. Okay.
The one has two colors, gray and the orange.
It's a 1080p camera?
Yeah, 1080.
Okay.
And have sensor.
Yeah.
Sensor. Before say the 299, but today
Oh.
Monday have discount.
Right.
You can tell them.
Do you have the app on your phone?
You can download the application.
Oh, okay.
In the home you can download. Have the English menu to play.
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
You can play.
Hey?
You can play. You can play the room.
Oh, well, I
I can teach you play.
You can teach me.
Yeah, I can. Wait.
No, I don't think I want. It's broken. It's broken. This is a different one.
Same, but here have many rooms. So,
It's the same, but this one works.
but this is another color. This
okay.
have many rooms, so
No,
no internet. You in the home, no problem.
No, it had problem. Okay, thank you. 150. No. Maybe 100.
No, friend, so cheap lah, 300. But now
This is
this in
no way.
The price. Okay lah, 150 lah.
No, okay.
No money lah.
No money.
No money.
I have no money.
140 lah.
You're killing me.
Teach you?
You're killing me. No, 100.
No, 140 lah, 140 lah.
140.
Yeah, 140 lah.
But what?
140.
Well, you get this.
Alipay picture.
No, I'm 4. I only have 100.
130 lah.
Want it? No. I have 100.
No, 100 no money.
No money.
No money.
Ah.
Okay lah, 130 lah. No money lah.
130?
Morning, first one.
First one. Yeah. I'll come back later and give you 100.
120 lah. Brother.
Brother,
brother.
what's in this one?
Yeah, okay.
I haven't. This one cheaper.
120 lah, 120 lah. No money.
No, I only have 100.
120 lah.
120.
This how much?
This one. This.
So expensive. This
No, this
cheaper.
this is fake.
Okay lah, 120
This is
lah.
fake. This is fake.
This camera so
Yeah,
expensive.
this camera.
But this is cheaper
Cheaper.
camera.
This camera fake. This.
Okay lah, 120 lah, 120.
No, I say only 100.
配一下手机。你可以给他照卖回去一个照。OK。
Okay, what? Okay, what?
100。
What?
100。
Ah. Alipay's okay, yeah.
Pay.
Does it have warranty?
1 year.
1 year?
Yes.
Okay.
You can come back here.
It might decline because I have no money.
You have many money in the ATM.
In the
对，那个唔到，啊，那可能这边冇病直走，佢
可以给信。
I'll come back tomorrow if it doesn't work.
Tomorrow.
What's your name?
Miss Huang.
Miss Juan.
Yes.
I'll say Miss Juan sold me this. this faulty product. Okay. This one.
Yeah, okay. Hey, get up. Why no check the better one?
What?
Better one.
Better one? I just bought. I just bought.
For baby is okay.
Maybe
I
it's.
have a very good quality one in the meter very high. The package good and the power very good.
What's very good quality? Why is this one better?
Because this is different.
Ah, different.
Different. And. Cái nào một rồi.
Okay, okay. It's very stable.
No sound.
Yeah.
This is funny.
Funny.
Funny. Here.
Ah, yeah, cool.
I have sensor.
But this one has sensor too.
But this is more better, different.
Different
This,
blade.
Outside have you fly more stable.
Okay.
And if you fly more far, no power come back. If you fly more 600 meter, and no power come back.
Oh, it goes 600 meters.
Yes.
How far? How far is
This
this?
is only 200 meter.
Oh, two.
Maybe you can change by this. Give me more money, change.
How much more than money?
Hey,
So, I just go.
no have only one.
No, have.
Only one.
Only one no have. So, buy give you a discount.
Okay, you give me more than 180 change. Only 280.
Wow, very cheaper.
But
Change the better one.
change to the better one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's more good quality.
This does look better quality.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
the English menu can teach you.
I love an English manual.
Video.
So,
It's small, your phone to here.
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Wait. No, I want to look.
change sir. Oh, have a good sensor.
Yeah, good sensor.
Cheap one no have.
It does have sensor though.
No have sensor. Yeah.
But it does.
Sensor, this cheap one sensor and the.
It's bad sensor.
This sensor, this far, no far. Yeah, this
At least you can
sensor
hear.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, so it's good.
But I'm good pilot.
Yeah, no,
No.
it's good.
Oh, okay.
For your jam.
Change it.
No, thank you.
Hey, Now change this one and give me 150 yuan.
What?
150 yuan.
150?
Yeah. More 150. 250 for you, this one.
Nah.
Okay lah, good lah, sir. Very good quality. No problem. Very better.
It's better.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna crash it though.
You give me more than this, okay? Because this more than 300, but now only 150.
But this one was 300. I go for 100.
Yes. So 188 yuan.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Give me 200. 200.
Together 200.
Now.
Give me more 100. Change.
100 more for this one.
Okay, lah, brother. Wow, very good.
Yeah, I got this not real. This
I
not
have this green. I have a camera green. You try?
camera glasses. Hey. Those were 50 yuan.
Okay, check.
Those were 50.
50给他嘛，这有多赚嘛 ？OK。
I don't know though. Why is it better?
Different.
It looks
This,
it looks the exact.
This,
It looks exactly the same.
same brand.
The same the DJI, sir. There's no same DJI.
Same as the DJI.
Yeah, same
I don't think so.
哎，先不要了，你弄啊，这扫这就可以了。
What you got this for?
Take the money.
For no pay. I no pay the money.
Hey,
No, it's too much. It's the same.
Different. The function different.
I don't need the function. I'm good pilot.
This fly more the far, more the high, and no
How-
power come here.
How far this one go?
200 meter. Function more better.
I don't know.
More 80 lah, more 80.
What 80? No.
More 80 lah.
Zero.
No.
哎，
Okay, bye.
哦，
Oh. What? No, don't want. No, it's no. Did you see that shit? I got those fuckers. You can't hustle a hustler. So what happened in there when I first went to buy the drone and the girl tested it out and it didn't work because it was a cheap piece of shit. She went and got a better model, which I have here, and then paid the price for the cheaper one. Here's where the scam starts. Then her boss comes and tried to upsell me back to the cheap shit one. So when I walked out of there with this one, they were rather upset. Bro, just let me eat. No, not later.
啊，大疆啊！
What? Yeah, you can rely on the dumpling guy to never rip you off. That was a lot of fun, and I got a cheap drone out of it. Now, some people say that like, oh, you shouldn't haggle, you shouldn't bargain in a foreign country, these people make less money than you, whatever. Like, first of all, I don't make any money. And also, like, if you're white and you're asking in English, the price just tripled or quadrupled. They do that because they think that you're stupid. And some people, like, let them, you know? Which is crazy. To me, someone in a market trying to scam you or, like, give an extremely unfair price or swap your product out for something else and try to charge you extra for it, this person has no morals. And if they weren't worried about the police or getting the shit beaten out of them, they would probably be a thief. So yeah, haggle, bargain. It's also lots of fun. Am I an asshole for arguing over a $20 drone? Maybe. But that's some of the best fun I've had here in Shenzhen. Now I know what you're wondering. Is the drone actually any good? No, it's an absolute piece of shit. The picture is real bad. And it's gonna get way worse when it's flying. And when it's at a range of more than 1 meter from my phone. But I didn't buy this because it's the best drone in the world. I bought this because I want to learn how to fly a drone. And I'd much rather learn how to fly with a $15 drone than the $300 DJI that I actually want, and that actually can hover in one place and shoot good footage. So this is perfect. And when I crash it into a tree, it won't matter at all. And I got a great deal.